Hey, good morning. Chuck here with Apple Drains. Has this ever happened to you? You come into the shower and you turn on the water, but no water comes out of the spigot. You can hear water running. What does that mean? So you can hear that water. There's a broken pipe between the on-off of the shower and the spigot. And we've got to make that repair. So we're just going to start by taking these screws out. I'm going to leave a center screw because I can reach it from the ground and then it won't fall over on me. So okay, I think that's all of them. Yep. So let's see. Oh yeah, you can see it. Let me show you. So yeah, you can see it broke in two places. Here's the piece and snapped right at the top. So we're gonna need, looks like we'll probably need a 90 and cut it off here to put another coupling on, and then we can put this back together. Broken frozen water line. Can you see that? You can see it shattered that whole piece. This is 1/2 inch PVC. Here is the actual knobs for the shower inside, and you can see it runs up to the spigot, and it completely broke off. So I think the hardest part of all this is, do you have the fittings or do you need to run to the store? Because going to the store, going to the hardware store to get the fittings usually takes about an hour. So you end up, with a lot longer on your repair. But I do happen to have all the fittings here. So we're cutting away the old pipe, and up here at the top where the shower head is, there is a threaded fitting that I need to remove. And that's a little tough, but I can spin that free. I'm not worried about the shower head. I just need to spin that fitting off of there, and then we can replace that entire thing. I want to inspect. That is a stainless steel piece. I want to inspect that, and I'll put some new Teflon tape on there. Okay, so it looks like we need a female threaded 1/2 inch to a slip coupling, a 90, and then a piece down to right here. It's important to put your Teflon tape onto any threaded fittings. This will help ensure that there is no leaks. Remember, this is a shower house and it's built above ground, so there's a lot of ladder work here. You can laugh, you can see me going up and down the ladder, but that Teflon tape will really help to make sure that your fitting does not leak. Once I have the tape wrapped around the threaded fitting, I'm not worried about the shower head at this point. I just need to make sure that this threaded coupling is tight. It doesn't have to be screwed on there with a wrench, just hand tight. And that should keep any leak from happening. So now we just need a short piece and a 90, then we can come down here. So I'm using an all-in-one cement, and that means it has like a primer built into it. We're going to go ahead and glue up
the inside of that fitting and the outside of our little insert. Twist and hold. That one's ready to go. Same thing for the 90. Do the outside, the inside of the fitting, good amount of glue. Not too worried about the shower head yet. Just want to get this plumbing where we want it, pointing downward, looking good. Now we need a measurement from there and a coupling to go on there. I hope that fits because that's a tough repair. So a good amount of glue on the outside of that. A good amount of glue on the inside of our fitting. Put a little bit more on there. Push and hold. Perfect. Okay, so I'm going to make a measurement to the inside of this fitting right here. Then we're going to cut that off. That looks perfect. Let's go ahead and glue that up. I'm going to start down here at the bottom because I think we have more play at the top. This is a tight fit. Make sure that seats all the way. Yep. Let's glue up the top. Let's see if we can get this together. Yep. Perfect. So this is a repair that every handyman and homeowner really should know how to do. It wasn't hard. The hardest part really was, do you have the fittings? And of course, taking that panel off. But you can see that took all of 3-4 minutes and we're done.
Okay, let's put the siding back and test out our work. Success! It works great. This is the easy project, you guys.
Okay, so there you have it. Such an easy repair that any DIY or a handyman should be able to make themselves. And I promise you, this is not hard. Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.